Hi, today in front of me INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just successfully unlock the device with my face. So I'll just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.